Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know that the festive season is going on and all online shopping apps have a huge sale going on their platform. So I thought of making this video and sharing a few products that I have bought over a period of time during this lockdown from Amazon, so that if you are interested in buying any of these products, then even you can go and buy, since the sale is on, so you can get amazing deals right now. So I'll just share whatever I bought and do a haul. So I don't have any specific category for today's haul. It's just a miscellaneous and a random kind of a thing. Like I have a few kitchen items, I have a few equipments for shooting and stuff like that. So if you're interested, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into the video, guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. It will really be a motivation for me because I will be posting more fun stuff. So if you're interested, then definitely subscribe to my channel. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get on into the video. Okay, so the first item that I have here is the most essential and important part and the most important item during this pandemic, which are masks. So I bought a pair of 5 masks for 430 rupees. These are from Wildcraft and they are really good quality, and I think it's a really good deal. Like I got 5 for 430, so I don't know if it's less on sale. I didn't buy it during the sale, but 430 anyways, it's really nice. So it looks something like this and it's really comfortable. It has a synthetic cloth over here which makes it more sweat proof, and I wear specs. For all those who know me, I wear specs, and whenever I wear specs with masks, that's the worst combination.
हर सेकंड मेरे चश्मे पे फॉग आ जाता है.
I can't see anything, so it doesn't make sense for me to wear mask and specs together. But these masks, like I used it and I wore it for 30 minutes, and yet I didn't have even one time where my specs got foggy. बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ. And I love these masks. They are really good quality, and it has like a strip over here, so you can bend it and place it perfectly on your nose. If you want to buy masks, you get a pack of 5 for 430, which is I think a steal, and it's a really good deal. So yeah, I'll link all of it in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Okay, so the next item is a kitchen item, and I am really impressed with this item. So it's this basket. Okay, it's not an ordinary basket that you can just place it anywhere. It has these things right here, so you can slide it inside your fridge ke shelves. Okay, and it becomes like a drawer. So you know, like you attach it to your fridge. I'll insert a clip so you can see how it goes. So you basically attach it to your fridge and it becomes like a drawer, and then you pull it out and you can put anything over here. But it's not so small, so it's an expandable tray. So you see, it can be that big as well. So, and I think I got it for, I really don't remember the price, but I think it was for 400, and it was a pack of 4 trays like these. So I think it's a really nice, like, I don't know, invention or what, but it's really a smart choice to buy, so you know your fridge ka space can be utilized properly. So yeah, even this one is a thumbs up, and I really like it, and I would urge you guys to buy it, as you can organize well. Like what we store isme abhi is adrak, we put mirchi in one part, we put a bit of nimbus in the other tray. So there were 4 trays, right? So we've divided it like that. So yeah, I think you should definitely check this out and go and buy this. Okay, so now let's move on to equipments that I use for shooting and all. So the first equipment that I bought from Amazon was this tripod stand. So I'll insert a clip somewhere over here because I'm currently using the tripod to record my video. and this tripod is of such a good quality, guys. I think I bought it for around 1500 or something. So it's the Digitech tripod and it was for 1500, and it's a really good material, like it's really sturdy. I also attached a camera to it, so it could even lift the weight of a heavy camera. So it's a really good tripod, very good quality, very heavy quality, and I really recommend you guys, if you need it for photo shoots or just recording videos or anything, this tripod is worth it. Okay, so talking about the tripod and equipments, this tripod is specifically for cameras, so it does not come with a mobile phone holder or an adapter. So I had to buy a mobile phone holder or an adapter which could be connected to the tripod eventually, and I could record my videos. So I record all my videos on my phone itself, so I needed a mobile phone mount or an adapter for it. So yeah, I bought this. This is also of really good quality. I'll insert a clip here. It's like you can rotate it like this vertically, as well as you can take horizontal videos. It's a really nice adapter. I think it was for around 200. I really don't remember the price. I'll write everything over here so you know how much it was for. And it's a very universal adapter. It's not just for this particular tripod. Even if you have a monopod or any other tripod, it can be connected to any tripod, any monopod, anything. So yeah, you should definitely give it a try. So the next equipment is a mic. So I use it to record my audio, and it's this mic, as you can see. So I really cannot show it to you, but I'll insert a clip of the mic for sure. So this mic, as you've already seen in my Teri Mitti video, I'll link it over here. If you haven't checked it, then definitely go and check it out. So yeah, I use it to record my vocals if I sing, or my audio for such sit down videos, and it's a really good mic. But it has a USB end, so you have to connect it to a laptop or a computer for your audio source. It cannot be connected directly to your phone or your camera, since it does not have an aux kind of a cable. It has a USB cable. So yeah, other than that, it was for 6,000. The actual price is 6,000, but on sale I got it for 3,000, directly 50% off. So if you're interested in and looking for a good mic for your audio or to record vocals for singing or anything like that, you should definitely give it a shot. It's a really good mic. So it's a condenser microphone, so it cuts the noise completely. So I would definitely recommend you guys. Okay, so talking about the laptop, I have a MacBook Air. So I bought a cover specifically for MacBook Air to keep it more safe. So I really don't have the cover right now because the laptop is being used right now to record the audio. So this is what the cover is like. So my MacBook is in space gray color, and the cover is also a translucent gray cover, and it's a hard case cover. So this is the back and this is the bottom. It's a really good quality and it's really sturdy. Along with that, I also got this keyboard cover, a silicone keyboard cover. So I placed it on my keyboard. I also got these tiny little stuff, as you can see. Yeah. So what are these basically? These are used to cover the open areas in my laptop. So this is for the earphone jack, so I can put it over there so that there's no dust or anything that enters. And these are for the other side for the charging slot and the USB slot. So all of this was, I think, for 850 rupees or something. I'm not sure. I'll link it in the description box, and I'll also put up the price over here. And yeah, but this is specifically for the MacBook Air 2018 and 2020 version. So if you're interested and if you have a MacBook Air, then you can go and check it out for sure. Okay, so the next item that I have is this laptop bag. It's for 980 rupees and it's of really good quality, and it's water resistant, and it's really, I just like the quality a lot. And it has 2 compartments, 1 and 2, plus it has this velcro. So there are total like 4 compartments, and it has a sling also, which I can remove if I want to. Yeah, I can remove the slings if I want to, and it has these handles as well, so I can even just carry it like that, or I can use it as a sling or anything like that. So yeah, it's a really nice purchase, and I think it's worth 980 rupees, and this is of 15 inches. So any 13-inch laptop can fit in it, and since my laptop is 13 inches, so I took this one, and it's really good quality. So definitely recommended. You should definitely go and check it out. Okay, so the other thing that I bought is this hard disk. Okay, so it's so small and so tiny. Yeah, I mean, I really like it. It's the WD-1TB My Passport, and it's of really good quality. I think I bought it for 4000 rupees, and 1 TB liya hai abhi, but it has variants in it, 1.5 TB, 2 TB, so it depends. And I really like this. It's really handy and portable. If you're looking out for a 1 TB portable and handy hard disk, then this is the one you should go for. Definitely I recommend this. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link. Make sure to check it out. So next are these earphones that I bought. These are the Boat Base heads, and they were for 399 rupees, and I think these are really good and affordable earphones because iska sound quality is very good, audio quality, everything is pretty good for the price that we pay. And the best part is the shape of the earphones. So you see this? Yeah, so it's kind of like a little bit slanted, so it fits your ear very easily and completely, and it doesn't come out easily. So the design of it is very good, and you know, it just enters your ear perfectly. So I think if you're looking out for an affordable earphone, then this is the one you should go for sure, and you won't regret it. Definitely, you should definitely try this out. Okay, so the next thing that I have is a really cute item that my brother bought. I didn't buy this actually. So it's this Batman. So it's this Batman bobbly head, as you can see. It's very cute, and it can be used as a showpiece, like we keep it as a showpiece ke jaise. But it has this drawer kind of a thing as well ahead. Okay, so here you can place your phone. So it's like a phone stand, but with a Batman wobbly head. So it's pretty cute and pretty useful as well. Like if you want to watch a show or something, you can just put your phone over here, and it acts as a phone stand, you know, as you see. So this was for around 498 rupees, and my brother bought it, and I think it's pretty cute and bobbly as the name suggests. Okay, so one more Batman related item is this Batman skin. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so it's this cool Batman skin that my brother ordered for our PS4 controller, and I think it looks pretty classy and pretty nice. So this is from a brand called Elton, and it was for around 299 rupees. I think it was like a sticker which we had to stick like on every part of the controller. So if you are a person who uses PS and has these controllers and want to amp it up a little bit, then you can definitely go and check it out on Amazon. It has many such, so Elton, I think my brother told me that it has many such stickers and many such skins for controllers, so you can definitely go and check it out. And I think for 299 rupees it's pretty good. Like, look at the controller, it becomes so nice, it looks so good. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you to check this out as well. Okay, so the next random item in this haul is this peanut butter. It's for 200 grams and it retailed for 190 rupees. It's from the Butternut Company, and I haven't ordered this because I am not a fan of peanut butter, especially this one because it's the unsweetened peanut butter, and my brother bought it. He really likes peanut butter a lot, so he ordered this one from Amazon, and I think it's pretty good. 190, 200 grams and काफ़ी quantity है. 190, 200 grams and काफ़ी quantity है. So yeah, I think if you like peanut butter, then you should try it. He said it's pretty good. So yeah, I would recommend you to try it, and let me know if you like this peanut butter or not. Okay, so the next items are these 4 wall clocks that I ordered for my house. So one is the wooden frame one is just a plain black clock with a Deadpool logo in it, and one is a white one, and one is this really nice blue, and I'll just show it to you basically. So I ordered these wall clocks, and all of these were roughly 450 to 500 rupees, and they look really nice. So these are some really nice decorative pieces and clocks that you can hang it on your wall, which looks pretty good and adds something to your whole wall. So yeah, if you're interested in checking out wall clocks, then you should definitely go and check it out. Amazon has some really good clocks and really good collection, so you should definitely check it out. I'll link all of these 4 clocks in the description box if you're interested in checking any one of them. And I think for its price and the quality that it had, 450 to 500, my quality is very good, and I really liked it, so I would definitely recommend you guys. Okay, so the last item is this huge yoga mat. Yeah, so I ordered 2 of these mats. So they were for 650 to 700 rupees. So both of them varied, but it's a really good quality. As you can see, it's really thick, yeah, and it's really soft. So I ordered the purple color, this one for my mom, and this green color for me. So I ordered these mats because lockdown में exercise कर रहे थे हम घर पे, and gyms were shut, so we couldn't go to the gym, so might as well just work out at home. And I would really recommend, if you're working out at home, then please invest in a good yoga mat, because it is not good to, you know, work on like directly on the floor, putting your knee and all that. It damages your knee. So a yoga mat is an essential. I would definitely urge you to buy a yoga mat if you work out at home. Okay, so that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So this was my huge haul of all random and miscellaneous stuff, with a few equipments that I use and stuff like that. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And also, if you buy any of these products and you try it out for yourself, then do let me know in the comment section below how you found it, what's your review about these products, and I would definitely love to know about it. And you should go and check these products out, because the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale is going on right now, and इस time पे तुम्हें best deals मिलेगी, and you don't want to miss it, right? Who wants to miss a sale, right? So I would definitely recommend you guys all of these products that I used and talked about today. So if you're interested in any of the links, all the links are in the description box, so make sure to check it out. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, but to see me in the next video, you need to subscribe to my channel, right? So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so that you do not miss any video that I upload from now on. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay happy, and stay positive. Bye.